Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So we're about to be heading over to a shop in Vallejo. We're about to be getting some slap installed in the truck. From all people that don't know what slap may be, that means we're going to be hooking up some subwoofers. We finally about to be going to put some music in this thing. I've been daily driving this thing around like crazy, and I'm actually really enjoying the truck, man. I never thought I'd like a truck as much as I do, but it honestly feels good to be able to go out of a driveway just straight, leaving the gas station just straight, see branches in the road, just run them over with no regards. I'm not dodging paper bags, like none of that. Like, it's kind of refreshing. So yeah, I'm getting this thing a bit more comfortable. We're about to be throwing some subs in, a monoblock amp for the subwoofers, and then we're gonna be adding a 4-channel amp. You guys know that lately I've been doing a lot of vlogging on the go, so I'm gonna be taking this with me while they're over there doing the subs and hooking everything up. I'm about to be editing another video. Man, my garage smell like hella rubber. So for those that don't follow on Instagram, you guys know my day one, aka my boy Jamar, aka Jai Millie on Instagram. Me and Jamar have been, like, this fool has been going back and forth on my comments, talking about bless the block, bless the block, bless the block. For anybody that don't know what bless the block means, bless the block is basically just bless the block. Do some wild shit on the block, bring the car there, bless it, etc. And I told him, he's been commenting every single day on my posts, bless the block. I'm like, bruh, I'm probably the youngest homeowner in my neighborhood. Mind you, I'm a black man over here, surrounded by, you know, older white folks. I'm not about to be hooning on my block. I can't do what I was doing on Granny's block on my block. We ain't in the hood no more. So he's been posting. He's been having his little minions come. Bless the block. Bless the block. I'm getting tagged. Hashtag bless the block. So I finally was like, you know what? I'm over it. I jumped into FD yesterday, and instead of blessing my block, I went to his house and blessed his block. So I'm going to drop that clip right here. I'm getting tired of Jamar's. Every post I make, this full Jamar's, bless the block. Bless the block. I can't just be up here blessing my block. But you know what I'm about to do? Because I'm tired of Jamar. I'm about to go to his house and I'm about to go bless his motherfucking block. About to make all kinds of noise too. Here we go. Here go Jamar house right here. And then for the people that aren't familiar with the things that we used to do at Granny house, we used to wild over at Granny house. So here's an old clip of me blessing Granny's block in the SC. You weren't here about 3 minutes ago, Granny. What? Nothing. No reason. Just think. I didn't do nothing. Bars, nigga!
We wild. We're wild. Little ass street. Let me just show y'all how small this is real quick. Hold up. The tight ones.
But yeah, with all that being said, I told Jamar I'm gonna be pulling back up in the 300ZX like old time sakes, because a long time ago I actually blessed Jamar's block in my old S13, which has the exact same SR from that car in my 300ZX. And I got one more throwback clip for y'all. So if y'all haven't seen that clip of me blessing Jamar's block 8 years ago, here's that clip. we gonna be blessing Jamar's block and the 300ZX. As soon as I get my tags, I'm about to go over there and bless the hell out of his. I think he's been talking about sliding through and blessing my block. I think he gonna try to hit me up. But y'all see, man, it's nice and quiet over here. I hear nothing but birds. Bless the block. I think even when I went and drove the Fox body, I think I actually laid the first bit of rubber on this block. I've already lowered my property value. As far as power goes and what we're gonna be using in the truck, so I know a lot of y'all was like, bruh, these speakers suck, blah blah blah. These speakers are gonna be decent for what I need. Mind you, this is kind of like an everyday car at this point, and if somebody was to break in here and steal some stuff, I don't want to have expensive shit in there. These cars get broken into all the time and stolen. So yeah, this sound system isn't gonna be anything crazy. I just need music in here, period. We got these Black Diamond amps. These amps are super good. If you guys haven't heard of them, you guys need to go look up some amp dynos of these. These things actually flow their rated wattage. So I would highly recommend checking these out. These are inexpensive amps that work super good. So the mono block is a 2550 watt amp, and then this one right here, I think I want to say the 4-channel amp is going to be about 1200 watts. But the weakest link is the speakers, but again, I wasn't trying to put anything crazy in here. All right, so we just getting here to the B shop, and the people that are gonna be installing music, we're over here at Broadway Auto Sound. I think these are the same people that did Jensen's music in one of his cars, so they do dope work. Eddie, where you at? What's up? What's good?
We're good. Eddie, he's outside. He's car right now outside.
All right. Eddie, where you at? Oh, got him. What's up, fool? I thought your ass was Eddie coming up in here. I scared the wrong person. Who is this nigga jumping out of the cuts? What's up, fool?
What's up, my brother?
Can't be doing that. You can fuck around and get shot.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Got that bag?
Yep, it's out there. Everything came yesterday.
Okay, yeah, they told me, shit, you want some first right there in that spot.
It's good.
It's all good.
Man's already starting to knock this thing out. Can't wait to finally have some music, man. No more Bluetooth pill in the truck. Man's ripped all that old shit out, like, we ain't using that. All right, here we go. It's about to be my second time trying to edible on Final Edelbrock. This will be my second time trying to edit on Final Cut Pro. So let's see if we can keep chopping away and figuring out how to learn this software. Old wiring versus new wiring. The girth. What's your opinion? You the specialist on this. What do you think of these subs? Hella people was like, man, them gonna suck.
Honest opinion?
Yeah, your honest opinion.
I mean, so-so. They so-so. If you 18, fresh out the high, good. But for what they is, I mean, they block point. So they gon' blah-da-da. You know what I mean?
He said if you fresh out the high.
They gon' blah-da-da until they don't.
Man, we can always upgrade later.
I mean, yeah, no, you're gonna be wired up and ready. So if you look at it, float with me for a second. Everything you see here, it don't even matter what you see, because I'm gonna tell you what you saw. You saw 600 watts.
I did.
You see what I mean?
And that's a 25 plus 100 watt amp. So
you know what I mean? So half of 600 equals 3 RMS. Anybody that know math, let's do science. That's 2,550 watts. Now, power, remote, ground. Those are the 3 things I need an amp to turn on. If I take these fuses out, the amp don't work. You got 140, that equals 400 watts. You got another 40, that equals 400 watts. So this amp is an 800 watt amp. It's gonna be well, but if it was like JL Audio or Raffle Falls gig, somebody like that, it's gonna do exactly what it tell you it do. You know what I mean?
man, I'm gonna have to show you. I'm gonna have to send you that amp dyno of these amps.
They dynoed it?
They dynoed it. That's why I bought it.
They might have dynoed it at burst though. It might not have been RMS.
Yeah, it was what was it? They dynoed it at uncertified.
Yeah, uncertified.
Uncertified, it did it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Uncertified mean
It did like 25 something
Keep your fire
uncertified.
extinguisher with you. You know what I mean? Like, because the certified test is going to be running at 14.4, and he's going to maybe get 850, 900 at 14.4.
No lie, if y'all local in the Bay Area, y'all literally gotta check this place out, bro. Like, they do super clean work. They got trophies in there for competitions and stuff, for beat slap-offs. Usually have like all kind of stuff in stock for y'all. Like boxes over there, amps and subs and stuff all inside. Do good work, bro. Literally do good work, and Jensen can vouch for that. This is where he came to. See, hell different brands. Copyright strike. Damn, it went from a nice day this morning to overcast as hell. Looking like it's about to sprinkle, man. Getting there.
You getting there, man?
No, I see you putting the dash back in. What? We got a fucking faceplate now?
Oh, you cheater. That's an easy one.
Well, another pickup.
Yeah. That's what we call highway robbery. Those cars are...
Hella easy to do.
You do that shit in the dark.
Here before we had hella wires under the dash hanging out. Ain't no more wires under there. You see no wires at all. So everything all hooked up on here. Man, it sound hella crispy. You know, we might get hit with a copyright, so we gotta keep this thing short, but it does look good and sound good. Bruh, this sounds so good.
Run up that bag and fall back, that's been my move. So if that money don't come in, then I don't move. Keep them niggas out my business, they broke, ain't got nothing to lose. I done fucked the baddest bitches, don't brag, I got nothing to prove.
Alright, so I'm just now getting back home. Man, it's a bit on the dark side. I'll probably wait till tomorrow to show y'all how clean the stereo setup came out. Anytime we do some changes or anything to the cars, we gotta ask the missus what she thinks. So I'm gonna get Nita out here, have her jump in the car, and listen, see what she thinks of the sound system now. But I love it, man. It sounds so crispy. Definitely everything I was expecting. Nita, look, getting greeted by the babies. Come on. Here, sit in.
I adopted you niggas, you know who raised you. Had to dead that situation, I can't save you. I can't breathe no life inside no name.
That thing in there slapping. She in there smiling, I can see her through the tent. I think they give her something with a bass line. Pause. What you think? Sounds crispy, huh? No, get out.
No,
Get out of here.
it's my truck now.
You didn't even want the truck. You never want none of the cars we get.
Well, now that you pimped the ride.
And also just seeing we actually got some parts. I've been waiting on this thing. We're about to get this on there before it gets dark. Ooh, y'all know what this is? It's the bed cover, baby. The bed cover. All right, we're about to get this on because it is raining.
Before the truck floods.
All right, what's good, my beautiful people? It is the following day. It got a little bit on the dark side yesterday, so couldn't really get to show y'all. But, you know, we're dealing with some rain right now. But this is what we looking like. We got the nice little cover on there. I got this wing sitting on there just for kind of like shits and giggles to decide, like, do I want to put this wing on here? But don't look bad. It actually looks pretty cool. It cleans the truck up so much more. Now you can't see that messed up bed. I am planning on having Jesse spray the bed anyway. Next on my list is I am looking for a hood. Once I get the hood, then I can get everything color matched up, and I think that's gonna be damn near it for as far as aesthetics go. Then I can go get that 4080 E-Trans, and then we can start, you know, figuring out what we want to do with the performance aspect of this thing. But it's coming along nicely, man. This definitely came a long way from what it was. Definitely looks good. I love this little cover. It's a little sturdy soft top. I don't really have tools or anything in here, so it's literally just to cover up the bed. It's not like I'm trying to hide anything in there. But yeah, man, what y'all think? I think this looks stupid clean. And then, as I promised y'all, let me show y'all the music. The flip out screen right here still has a little plastic stuff on it. Before, y'all will see hella wires under here. They literally cleaned up everything. There's 0 wires down here. And that's how they mounted the subs up. They got everything under the carpet. And here's the other side. Look at that. Wires all tucked away. Super clean install, man. I would highly recommend them to anybody that's in the Bay Area or even in the surrounding areas. If you're looking to get beat installed, highly recommend them. I think they do alarms. They do LED lighting, underglow, all kind of stuff. Like, the sound system sounds good. He fine-tuned everything for me, and for what this is, it's perfect. So big shout out to Eddie and the guys over there at Broadway Auto Sound. Really appreciate y'all, man. Y'all did a fantastic job with my truck. And again, if you in the area and you're looking for somebody to install your beat, make sure you hit them up.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.